Hello folks, it's Lucha here and this is neweconomies.com. This morning we are with Leo Elduayen.
That's correct.
Of Koibanx. Thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you, Lucas, for having me.
So most of the blockchain companies have been in the sector for a short period of time because the whole ecosystem is very new. However, you have been here for almost 4 years.
That's right.
And you have secured funding and done a lot of things in that time. But first of all, for people that don't know you, what is Koibanx?
Well, we define Koibanx as a product-driven company, you know. That's why we've been able to stay so long in the ecosystem, despite what you said, the new features or the new appearance of blockchain technology. So basically, we define Koibanx as a software, a tech company that develops solutions for the financial industry applying blockchain technology.
Right. And it does it also through asset tokenization?
Correct. Asset tokenization, it's the process through which you represent an asset from the real world in a digital asset. And if you have the ability or the capability of running this digital asset through blockchain technology, you get real liquidity to the asset because you transact it in a transparent, automated, and secure way.
Yeah. Who is using Koibanx today?
Well, today, most of our clients are financial institutions, mainly banks and the like companies that are looking to become pioneers in a new segment of the financial market. You know, there's a lot of inefficiencies when banks and retail financial institutions are looking to attend or to serve the lower basis of the pyramid. So basically, this technology allows these institutions to automate and to serve turnkey solutions to these customers. Some of them, which are already working with us, are Banco da Vivienda. It's the second largest bank in Colombia. Tarjeta Naranja is the largest non-banking credit card in Argentina, and the Russian payment processor Kiwi.
So what is the main competitive advantage?
Well, our main competitive advantage in our eyes, it's basically that not only, as you very well stated, we have been in the market for quite a time in the blockchain industry, so that gives us an expertise,
of course,
and an understanding of how these things are turning out. That's why we have already products, and we focus this product to tailor-made the needs of our customers, and we build an entire roadmap for them. It's not a thin software, you know, we specifically adapt our asset tokenization framework for them to get the most of the solution they have. For instance, micro-lending programs, remittances platforms, payment solutions, and some others that are not
loyalty, right?
Exactly, not strictly financial, but that's the beauty of it, you know. On the back end, the technology is pretty much the same. A loyalty solution, our balances and transactions that take place,
of course,
pretty much in the same way we transact in the banking system. But this gives our customers the possibility of really trying the technology without having the regulatory and commercial risk, and being able for their tech teams to really audit our solutions, deploy them, and feel comfortable with a scalable roadmap.
Right. You know, this is amazing because really all the time we've been hearing about this sort of war, you know, this maybe between big financial institutions, banks, and crypto. And at the same time, you have been able to embrace both and you're working with those. So I know that you have been, you know, you've been some time here, of course, you have developed things, you have big partners, and you have secured funding more than once. What's the next step of development for?
Well, what you said is really very interesting because there's a lot of storytelling, you know, that fintechs are coming to dominate the world, or the financial institutions are going down. So we like to differentiate ourselves from that. We do not believe that fintechs will take the banks down. We like to present ourselves as the financial institutions' tech partners. There are some financial institutions that are already realizing that this technology might shift the paradigm for them. So we like to be an enabler for them, to get them there. So in our roadmap today, we have regional expansion. Latin America, Asia, and some regions of Europe have a specific scenario that allow this technology to flourish, so we want to be there. And we are constantly looking for strategic partnerships that help us grow our business and solutions.
Amazing. Thank you very much for coming to the show. I really think that Koibanx is an example of a stable company that can really do solutions and give security not only to investors, but to the financial institutions that actually are with you.
Okay, thank you very much, Lucas, and great show.
Thank you. So this has been neweconomies.com. Thank you for watching.